for the Lord and nothing more. The Power of a Good BBQ by Robin L.S. Young, Sunday, 2:27 a.m. A song, I Will Rest by Adam Kirsch. And then a YouTube link. It was something I was watching and resting in, or trying to. Here we go. When I read the Bible, I'm always looking for the deeper meaning. It is foolish to only focus on the complex when a simple man can learn so much. I must not be demanding. I'm an idiot here. What I'm unartfully saying is sometimes in my arrogance, I can make more of something than I should. At a point of total exhaustion, I do not need fancy intellect. It just gets in the way. I just need sleep, if I only could. At such a point, I realize a simple truth. God is so much fun, and I will show you proof. First, and one of my favorites, is He loves a good barbecue. After every contract or rule in the Old Testament, there is a fire with a goat, a calf, a ram, or something that flew. God knows how to rock a good barbecue, and we should also too. Second, is always taking rest. In today's standards, He might be looked on as a bum, not someone who hangs out with the best. He rests once every 7 days. I can totally get behind that craze. He also takes an extra year off every 7 years. When I learned that, I thought, we need to get some wine and toast some cheers. He's not done. Every 49 years, He declares a jubilee. There are so many wonderful things that happens. I'm filled with glee. So here I sit, in all my intellect, persistent and hardworking, but a fool. I've pushed myself beyond my design parameters, and am now a useless tool. When we are in battle or war, we get lost in the urgency of every move and every decision. We are supposed to have rest in the Lord, and a good barbecue would do us some good to avoid calamity or collusion. Resting is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of our faith in God, who gives us completeness. Rest in the Lord's peace, my dearest love. In the fullness of time, I will rest next to thee. A friend once told me, you are too dangerous to keep around. I asked them, why keep me around then? They told me, because of the potential. I never push further, but therein lies the answer. We risk all to gain all. To God the glory. To God the glory. I love you so much. For the Lord. I can't wait to share a good barbecue with you. There's these things I make with dates. You unpit the dates and then you wrap them with bacon and cook them on the grill. I know for Jews they don't eat pork. So maybe there's some kind of beef equivalent, or maybe you'll try some still. Everything. Everything. You are everything. I love you so much. For the Lord and so much more. I love you very much. Forgive me for delaying. This is the last poem I have. I'm sure I've got a few more scribbled somewhere. I'm sure I'll write more. But you see, the truth is we wrote them together. And you're in heaven. So I must wait. I must wait. I must wait. I miss you. I miss you, beloved. I know. I understand, the Son of Man, that your vessel is here on this planet. I love you so much. I love you so very much. We wrote all these together. All of them. Together. I miss you. And for the Lord. For the Lord. I miss you. For the Lord.